What's up, y'all? It's T, and we here with It's Shit in Me. And today, y'all, I'm so excited. So excited. I'm about to be pulling my first prank on my channel.
Young nigga go nuts, I be deep thang. Sit back, I'm relaxed, let the feet hang. But I be cool, smoke a pack, get my truth thing. Me and Shaq in the stool, let the beat play. Overland to the
And it's gonna be on my man. And so, this prank is gonna be the sneezing on him prank. So, I have allergies. That's just something, you know, I've had to deal with in my life. I look so white. I look mad white. I'm gonna go back where I was. So, y'all, I'm gonna be pulling this prank on my man. So, I'm gonna be doing the sneezing on him prank. I hope it goes how it's supposed to go. I don't know if I'm gonna set up the camera when he's here. I don't know where this prank is gonna take place, y'all. I just know it's gonna take place later on tonight. So what I'm gonna be spraying him with, well, I'm not gonna be spraying him with this, but I'm gonna be using this bottle. So this is the, you gonna focus? Yeah, do that. This is the Zarbee's bedtime spray. For one, if you have babies, kids, whatever, this right here is the stuff. Spray it on their pillows. It is almost done. I'm gonna spray the last of this in their room. They're asleep right now, but I'm gonna just spray it all over the room. Well, my twins are asleep. Big boy's still up. Don't mind my wig in the corner. But yeah, big boy's still up. Y'all know how that go. Big boy think he could stay up later than the twins. I mean, hey. But anyway, I'm gonna spray this in their room on his pillow specifically before I put him down and everything. And it should be done because it's almost done now. As you guys can see, it's almost done. So a few more sprays, it'll be done. I'm gonna fill this up with water and just. I hope this works. I really hope I'm able to pull this prank off. I don't know how he's gonna react because I'm not gonna lie. Like, I want to say last week or 2 weeks ago, my allergies were acting up, y'all. Like, it was so bad. Like, not nasty. I'm not the type to just sneeze on you, but when I tell you those sneezes were coming out of nowhere, like it wasn't even one of those. It was like, achoo, and I had to like catch it. So it's not something he's not gonna be used to because I have bad allergies. But me just sneezing on him and all of the residue just falling on him, like he may flip. Yo, I can't wait. I'm gonna go feed him. His father should be back a little later on after he goes to sleep. He's out right now. I know he's gonna be back after he's asleep. And yeah, I'm gonna try my best. I don't know where I'm gonna set the camera. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure it out. But I'm gonna do it. It's my first prank and I'm excited. Alright, y'all. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. It's lit over here. So, y'all, oh my god, we're about to eat right now. So I'm gonna be sneezing on his food. Wish me luck. What you want? What do you want? You keep saying what? I'm trying to get the remote. Wait, why did I sit right here?
Turn the page to read.
What? No. Don't get naked, Gordon.
What?
Come on. I'm about to eat. Can I get comfortable?
Damn. Bastard. Keep kind of charging.
No, my phone on the
So then
charger.
take your phone off. Your phone charger this whole time.
No, it doesn't.
Oh my god.
Like,
The fuck?
your slippers is wet. I just got out the shower with.
You wait till I put them both on to tell me.
It didn't come out fast enough. You have to get butt ass naked to eat. You gotta leave. That's what's really blowing me. That you think you gotta go back to bed. You think you wanna sleep?
What's wrong?
You plan on putting them clothes on after we're done eating, right?
Why did I not? Why are you asking me questions? You eat. What's the best part of that? Huh? Can I not eat in peace? Don't they say rest in peace? Well, I'm trying to eat in peace. Eat in peace. Okay? You know what I mean? Watch TV and eat. Huh?
No, I'm not sitting next to you with this one.
So you gonna sit next to me?
No.
You must be holy hard.
No, I'm sitting right
You
here.
gonna sit there. I'll pull your food out. So you're gonna say, get your ass over there. Get over there.
I'm right here. No.
You don't got to see you. You don't got
So
to
let me like this here. Whatever.
Damn, Tasia. You gotta eat all the steak?
What?
This all the steak?
Yeah.
Kaden was getting some tomorrow.
This steak is too well done for Kaden to eat.
Stop saying that. Feel like it well done too.
No, it's good. But I'm just saying, Kaden's little teeth.
Yeah.
They're little and they're straight.
Yeah.
Just like I like them.
You brushed your teeth today?
His teeth. You was here with them all morning.
I brushed their teeth.
Whose teeth?
The twins. He was eating.
Oh, no, I didn't brush his teeth. I didn't know. I assumed you brushed everybody's teeth. So, no, I didn't. Sorry, sir.
Mind you, you know they need no toothpaste, right?
There's toothpaste. It's underneath the cabinet.
Wow.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
There's toothpaste underneath the sink, so don't do me. You know they need a new toothpaste, right?
I don't know why.
You're a wild side.
Of course not.
What?
Speak again.
And last night,
What the fuck? I can't sneeze now. Next to my plate. Next to my plate, no less. Next to my plate, no less. Next to my plate, no
My
less.
ass is this, bro.
just 9
This
minutes
is what.
later,
And anything on your cologne.
Yo, my boy.
Put your plate up. Start your TV show.
I've been picked up from airports in taxis before, but never had to go to a jetty. Been picked up by boat.
coastal living offers pure sea air, the constant sound of waves, and ever-changing views of
2 hours later.
Sorry. You crazy. That face like that show you crazy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my god, you look like a
Although
killer.
it's early summer now,
Seriously.
temperatures in winter can drop as low as -20 in this Nordic archipelago. Greenhouse built on this windswept shoreline needs to be able to withstand everything Mother Nature can throw at it.
Wow. And I'm not going to count, so.
Our first extraordinary coastal home is a remote island retreat, camouflaged to blend into the surrounding landscape and designed as an antidote to the owner's busy work schedule.
The biggest challenge for the architect was how to create a four-bedroom home within the size restrictions of a pre-existing property, which has the temperature 100 square meters.
The CEO of the shipping firm has invited his and I to
What? I just sneezed.
You sprayed something, correct?
No.
You sprayed something, right? We're not gonna keep playing. Both of y'all eating.
No, I sneezed.
want me to get mad? Why not? Just tell me, you sprayed something and it flew on my face. Just let me know.
Wait, my swings flew over there?
Clark is married with 3 children. Although they live in the city of Kristiansand, the
What
family
did you spray? It smelled natural.
to their very
I
own
just
Paradise
said
Island
I was
every
stand
spring
up.
and throughout the summer.
One in your pocket.
Tell us how you came to
One
even
in
think
your
of
pocket.
building a house on an island.
Stand up. Move yourself. Then only this,
But
this-
why
this
are you
what
doing
said.
all of that?
One, you wouldn't move yourself from right here next to me to go over here unless you probably do something stupid. 2, you didn't take no bites of that food until just now.
I was eating my
Half of those
mashed
sneezes didn't even sound real. That last one was definitely not real. Yeah.
Your winters are so hard.
Run that shit, stand up, show me what you spit on me so I can get back to eating. If you really spit on me, I don't want this plate. Spit on the plate too. Please, stand up. Stand up and show me what you do.
Where am I standing up for? I'm eating.
Good game. Niggas wait till respect it. Stand up.
Why do I have to stand? You stand up.
You stand up. You rub your pockets. Move cover. You don't have nothing. You sneeze on me, right?
Clark is leaving us marooned on this island for the next 2 days, so that we can find out
If I have to do
what
it.
secluded coastal
Like I
area.
said, it's not Well, it's really near my food though. And that's the whole go to sleep shit.
Oh my gosh.
Is that not the go to sleep thing?
Yeah, it was. Nah, I put water in it.
That was horrible prank.
I'm so mad. I'm so mad, y'all. It was such a fail.
Wait a
That
minute,
was-
they gonna see my dick.
No, they not, because I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to do my editing, whatever. But, yeah, that's why I was like, yo, I didn't think you was going to take your clothes off. Like, you're very unpredictable. You're too unpredictable to prank. This is why I don't do this. Wow, I really thought that was a good one, y'all. He knew immediately. You knew immediately. Wow, you knew immediately. Like, I hope we could hear the whole conversation and everything. Alright, y'all, so that was a fail. I'm new to this, I'm not true to this. I should have been eating normal. I wasn't being normal. I never wear my robe. You didn't even notice I was wearing my robe. I never wear my robe. Yeah, I was like, I was cold. Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't know, but my robe says Caden's mom. He got it for me. You know, this is way before all the kids, but anyway, y'all, I'm really about to go eat. This was a fail. I'm gonna contemplate on whether I'm posting it or not because it was such a fail.
You had the whole camera set up.
I did have the whole camera set up. Like, I'm about to go back and watch the footage. Alright, y'all. If you like this video, if you like my fail, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you guys are notified every single time your girl posts. Leave some suggestions down in the comments of what to get them with next. Something that'll be believable to this man. Because for some reason, he's just him. Anyway, whatever the case may be, I'm about to go eat. I'm out, y'all. Peace.
Run up that money for my family like this. Yeah, I'm gaining that love now. I'm the realest in my town. Niggas be hating this shit, these rappers can't fuck with me. Ain't selling my soul, ain't going no good. I'm trying to get up out these streets. I'm still on my knees, still praying to God. Need Christ to get a hold of me.